जी पाक इंग्लैंड टेस्ट सीरीज़ का आज दूसरा रोज़ है और ना सिर्फ पाकिस्तानी शायकीन बल्कि जो इंग्लिश शायकीन हैं वो भी बड़ी तादाद में जो है वो स्टेडियम का रुख कर रहे हैं। कुछ इंग्लिश शायकीन हमारे साथ भी मौजूद हैं, उनसे बात करेंगे। हाय, हाउज़ योर डे एंड टेल अस अबाउट योर टूर इन पाकिस्तान एंड हाउ इज़ गोइंग एवरीथिंग।
Yeah, everything's going very well. We had some challenges coming in, there's a couple of flight delays, but other than that it's been good. Yesterday's play was a bit flat from my point of view. The bowlers weren't really put it in the right places or the right areas, but luckily we got the 2 wickets at the end of the day, or the 3 wickets at the end of the day. But I think we only got 2 of them because they was obviously tied because of the heat out in the middle.
Your bowlers got the prize wicket of Bابur Azam. How are you feeling about that?
I was a bit disappointed with Bobber. I'd love to see him get another 100 because I think basically
Been straight 16 innings without a 50.
yeah, he's due a big score then, isn't he? The law of averages says he's going to come good. So yeah,
You are a big fan of Bابur Azam and you are disappointed.
I'm a big fan of the big four. Yeah,
You want Bابur Azam to score big, but you want England to win.
it would be nice before we leave Pakistan to see a good score from Bobber. He's a class player.
What's about the weather in Multan and how you're feeling in Multan especially?
Yeah, been made to feel really welcome. Everyone's been really friendly, been very well looked after. The weather's great. It's a bit hot today for us, but in England it's maybe 10 degrees today. But no, been made to feel really welcome. Everyone's really friendly, great hospitality. Yeah, really enjoying the visit.
And what is going to be the result?
This looks like it might go to a draw, but 2-0 to England overall.
Same your perception?
I think 2-1 Pakistan.
Okay. Your prediction, big prediction from
I think 2-1
2-1 Pakistan?
England.
इंग्लैंड 2-1 इंग्लैंड। जी लास्ट टाइम जब इंग्लैंड टूर किया था पाकिस्तान ने, उन्होंने क्लीन स्वीप किया था। अभी आपने सुना तासुरात, उनका कहना है कि जनाब गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है और बाबर आजम के भी फ़ैन है, वो कह रहे हैं कि बाबर आजम बड़ी इनिंग्स खेलें, लेकिन उनका कहना है कि पाकिस्तान में आके बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है और अपनी टीम को भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं और अच्छी क्रिकेट देखने को मिल रही है। और उनका कहना है कि मुल्तान में आकर मुल्तानियों ने ख़ास तौर पे बहुत अच्छे से वेलकम किया, वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हैं। जी।